Good evening, dear all. Welcome to this today's class where you will learn how to know the money in someone's pocket. Isn't sound interesting? It's very interesting, right? How you can tell the money in the pocket of someone. So maths is like this one interesting. Let's see. So here we are going to learn how to know the money in the wallet of someone. Very interesting topic for everyone, right? So you must be interested in knowing how much money in his wallet, and without telling him the trick, and just you will tell him how to give answer to the questions and some of your question, and he will be able to tell you indirectly how much money he is having in the wallet. Yes, it sounds very weird, but it is just interesting and this much interesting. Let's see how we are going to do it. So, suppose what are the steps? Let me tell you. So, first step is this: ask the person to count how much money is there in the wallet. This is your step. And the next step is that we want only in rupees or in dollars or in any of the currencies, but not in pence. We neglect the paisa, right? So we will take only the whole number of rupees, right? Tell him that just tell me the whole number of the rupees. So ask, ask the person that he is going to count how much money is there in the wallet, because every person don't remember how much money is there in the wallet. So he has to or she has to just consider only the rupees part and neglect the paisa part. Next, what they have to do, second step, second step is that add 5 to the add 5 to the amount. We'll do with examples, it will be pretty clear, don't worry. Then next, multiply the answer by 5. Now let me tell you how multiplying by 5 is can be very easy. Whenever you have to multiply a number by 5, you just do like this. Multiply and divide by 2. So see, it's very easy. Just 26 divided by 2 is how much? 13. So 130 will be the answer, right? Suppose 44 times 5. So just half the number and put a 0. You can also do for even if it is not even, then also we can do this. So just you have to think like 45 divided by 2 will be what? Just you have to half the number. So half of 45 is what? 22.5. So it will be 2 to 5, right? So it's just simple, right? So you can teach your children to multiply by 5 this way. So that way they will understand. Or some small children, if they don't understand like how to find half of 45, just tell to find half of 44, so 22, and just add 1, that half of 1 is 0.5 or half. So 22 and a half or 22.5. Just I will tell you little small techniques how to find fast multiplication tricks so that you can teach your children some mental methods so they can visualize maths and they can enjoy maths. So now we were in the multiply the answer by 5. Right? That was our third step. What is the fourth step? Double the answer. So double the answer means what? Just multiply it with 2, right? And the final step is that tell the person to add his favorite number, his or her favorite number, one digit number, definitely, between 0 to 9. Okay. So these are the 5 only steps that are needed. Now, after the 5 steps has been done, then ask the person to reveal the final answer. And from that only we can find the money in the pocket. Isn't sound very interesting, right? Let's take an example first and then we will learn it. Suppose he has 40 rupees in the pocket. Okay, let's assume that he has 40.2 rupees in the pocket, 40.20. So we'll neglect the paisa because this is paisa. So 40 rupees we are taking, just 40, right? So now what is the next step? Add 5 to it. So how much you got? 45. Now 45 times 5. Just I tell you, this is 225, right? Now double the answer. So 225 times 2, how much it is? 450. Okay. Now suppose, what is the favorite number? Suppose my favorite number is 9. So 459, right? So this number will be revealed to you as the answer, right? And from here, you have to find what was the money in his pocket or her pocket. You have to find out. So what is the secret? Now you have to find the secret. So what you have to do, just pay attention how to get the answer. How much money we have assumed? 459 was the answer that was revealed to you. So this answer you neglected. This part you neglected. And subtract 5 from this. So how much you got? 40. So see, the man was having 40 in the pocket, right? This was the revealing of the answer. This part you don't have to tell to that person because you are showing him the magic. So now he is very much scared that if you know that how much money in the pocket is, there are chances of flowing the money out, isn't it? Very, very interesting. Let's try with another example. Suppose you have 60 in your wallet. Okay. That answer you didn't tell me. Just you have tell me that, okay, 60, you start with 60. Now, then you add 5 to it. So 65, then multiply by 5. So I tell you, 64 half is how much? 32. So 325, then double the number. So very easy. Double of 3, you can part the number and double it. So 650. And add any of your favorite number. So suppose 8, so 658. Now revealing the answer, what you have to do? You have to neglect this part and subtract 5. So 60. See, we have got to the answer. Right. Let's see why this magic has worked. Right. So what we do, suppose, so actually what we are doing when he's revealing the final answer like 459, so this number was being added up, right? 9 we have added from outside, no, that was the favorite digit. So this was being cut off and then 5, so 40. Okay, so there are many methods to find the money in the pocket, but this one I find it more interesting and innovative, and even a very, very small child will be very much involved because they can multiply by 5 easily, they can double the number easily, they can add 5 easily, and then the answer revealing is very, very interesting. No, just you have to leave this part and subtract 5, right? So let your children start having the love for the subject, and when they start loving the subject, it is very much interesting and they feel much involved and very much, you can say they are much means they got an affinity towards it, no? So we want that affinity toward the subject so that they enjoy and enjoy. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.